When Allah tests you, He's drawing you closer, the hidden gift behind hard times. Have you ever noticed sometimes the moments that break you are the same moments that bring you closest to Allah? Sometimes what feels like loss is actually an invitation. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. My brothers and sisters, there is something more valuable than wealth, more powerful than health, and more lasting than success. If you gain this one thing, everything else in your life becomes manageable. And if you lose it, even the best life will feel empty. That treasure is a real, living connection with Allah. When life is easy, hearts drift. When life is comfortable, we get distracted. One scroll turns into an hour. One episode turns into a night. One outing turns into a lifestyle. Days pass, and Allah slowly moves from the center of our lives to the edge of our thoughts. We don't mean to forget Him. We're just busy enjoying the gifts without remembering the giver. Then suddenly, something changes. Health weakens, money tightens, a relationship breaks, a door closes, and in that moment, all the things we used to chase lose their shine. The food doesn't taste the same. Entertainment feels empty, even company feels tiring because Allah showed us something. Everything we relied on was fragile. The turning point. Complaint or closeness. When hardship comes, we stand at a crossroads. One path says, why me? What did I do? This isn't fair. The other path says, Ya Allah, I see now. I was never in control. I was always being carried. Hardship can either harden the heart or humble it. And when the heart becomes humble before Allah, something incredible happens. Your dua changes, your salah changes, your tears change. You speak to Allah not from routine, but from need, from sincerity, from brokenness. Those quiet moments when you cry alone, when no one understands what you're going through, when your only listener is Allah, those might be the most valuable moments of your entire life. We treat Allah like a service. Astaghfirullah, we live in a world of instant everything. Click, it comes. Order, it arrives. Swipe, it appears. We've become used to being served. Then we make dua and expect immediate results. If the answer doesn't come quickly, our hearts get restless. But Allah is not a delivery service. He is Al-Hakim, the most wise. Sometimes He gives immediately. Sometimes He delays. Sometimes He replaces. Sometimes He protects you from what you're asking. And every single one of those answers is mercy. The story behind the delay. There are pains in your life you don't understand right now. A missed opportunity, a delay in marriage, a loss, a closed door. But what if Allah is positioning you for something bigger than you can see? Sometimes one person's hardship becomes the reason thousands are saved. Sometimes your struggle builds a strength in you that will later guide, help, or inspire others. You think your test is only about you. Allah's plan is much bigger. Believers and inner peace. Everyone struggles, believer or not. Life is not designed to be effortless. But here's the difference. Two people can be in the same hospital, same illness, same pain. One heart is in panic, the other heart is in peace. Why? Because one knows this pain is not punishment, it is purification. It is elevation. It is drawing me closer to Allah. Iman doesn't remove the storm. It gives you an anchor inside the storm. The greatest loss. The real tragedy is not losing money, not losing status, not even losing comfort. The real loss is losing your faith when things get hard, because then you lose peace in this life and reward in the next. But the one who holds on, even with shaking hands, even with tears, that person is winning in ways the world cannot see. Your place is already prepared. My brothers and sisters, Allah did not create you without purpose. Your return to Him is not random. Your struggles are not meaningless. There is a place Allah has prepared, a home beyond imagination. And every step of patience, every tear of sincerity, every dua in the dark is a step toward it. Don't let temporary pain make you forget eternal joy. Hard times are not signs that Allah left you. Sometimes they are signs He wants you closer than ever before. So when life becomes heavy, don't only ask, how do I escape this? Ask also, Ya Allah, what are you teaching me? How can this bring me nearer to you? Because sometimes the greatest gift Allah gives you comes wrapped in difficulty. May Allah keep our hearts firm, make our hardships a means of closeness to Him, and never allow us to lose our faith, no matter how strong the storm becomes. Ameen. Like, comment, and subscribe for more peaceful Islamic reminders like this. For more uplifting Islamic motivation, faith-boosting messages, and heart-softening reminders, watch the full playlist in the description. Heart-touching Islamic reminders, motivation, faith, and hope. Alhamdulillah.